Welcome to the Mobile Application Security Professional Certificate Learning Path, brought to you by NowSecure. My name is Joe DeCesare, and I'm a Senior Support Analyst at NowSecure. I'm on the front lines working with mobile app security professionals and developers every day to answer questions, remediate vulnerabilities, and mitigate risks within their mobile apps. I'll be your guide for this course in covering content curated by our mobile app security experts here at NowSecure. Here at NowSecure, we're obsessed with mobile app security and privacy. It's all we do all day, every day. We've been named Mobile Security Testing Leader by IDC and a DevSecOps Transformational Leader by Gartner. NowSecure offers end-to-end solutions to help organizations build and scale their mobile app security programs, such as analyst and developer training, manual mobile app pen testing, and NowSecure Platform, our automated solution which can be plugged directly into mobile app development pipelines for continuous security testing. As such, we're trusted by many of the world's most demanding organizations to protect millions of mobile app users across banking, insurance, high-tech, retail, healthcare, and government. Before we move on, it's important to take a brief moment to acknowledge the hard work and contributions of our NowSecure teams which made this course possible. Starting with members of our mobile app security analyst team, who provided testing guidance, tool recommendations, and best practices learned from their experience pen testing hundreds of mobile apps. Likewise, our elite mobile app security research team, which provided expert consultation and developed attack scenario demos for this course. This team includes expert iOS and Android ethical hackers and reverse engineers, creators of popular open source testing tools like Frida and Radare, and an OWASP mobile app security project co-lead. If you're interested in learning more about our team members that help build this course, we've included additional information and links within the description. Now that you know more about who we are, let's review the goals of this course and what you should expect to get out of it. You are currently following the NowSecure Academy Security Analyst Learning Path towards a Mobile Application Security Professional Certificate. You will earn the certificate once the full course is completed and you pass the final exam. If you're newer to mobile app security, we highly recommend taking the Mobile Application Security Foundations course first. The Foundations course is free, approximately 1 hour, and provides an excellent overview of mobile app security in general, the mobile attack surface, iOS and Android architectures, mobile app standards, analysis types, pen testing tools, and more. By the end of this course, you'll be able to get started building your mobile app security toolkit and testing mobile apps. Throughout, you'll gain exposure to methods our team uses to test and exploit common vulnerabilities, and will be provided several guided learning opportunities to get hands-on experience testing and searching for vulnerabilities. We know how busy you are, and ultimately we want to share our knowledge to help accelerate your understanding of mobile AppSec. NowSecure follows many mobile app security and privacy standards closely, which vary across industry and between public and private sectors. For this course, our topics will follow the OWASP Mobile Application Security Verification Standard, or MASVS, as we find it to be a comprehensive resource frequently updated. The categories include architecture, design, and threat modeling, data storage and privacy, cryptography, authentication and session management, network communication, platform interaction, code quality and build setting, and resilience. For this course, our experts provide guidance for testing your app for and hardening against common mobile app vulnerabilities for each category. We provide practitioner-based advice based on what we encounter every day as mobile app security professionals ourselves. It's important to note that this course is not strictly limiting ourselves in the course to MASVS concepts. nor is it an exhaustive training for each MASTG test mapped to MASVS categories. The course is built by NowSecure practitioners, and the certificate earned by successful completion is provided solely by NowSecure. This course is appropriate for anyone within your security organization, especially if your mobile app is the primary connection to your customers or employees. It's also appropriate for folks who work directly within your mobile app development, release, and compliance process if they are seeking a deeper understanding of mobile app security vulnerabilities, attack vectors, and testing techniques. When we've conducted this course previously, our attendees have included app security professionals seeking to upskill with mobile, security advocates enabling with mobile app security skills, developers, QA, product managers, and compliance, IT security professionals tackling a remote mobile workforce, and security executives keeping up to date. But really anyone interested in taking a deeper dive into the world of mobile app security is welcome. Ready to get started? Me too. Let's move on to our first course. Let's review the tools and foundations needed for this course. In this course, our researchers and analysts demo analysis techniques leveraging many of the tools covered in depth during the Mobile App Security Foundations course. This includes lab essentials, vital in the day-to-day of performing mobile application security analysis, reverse engineering tools, which aid in extracting information to inspect app code and functions, network and API tools that observe network communication between the app and remote services, as well as back-end testing tools that may be used in various scenarios and test for server-side infrastructure. Most tools are free, and we provide instructions to download within the resources section at the end of this lesson. You will find these tools essential for self-guided lessons and continued learning after this course. Becoming a mobile app security professional involves new languages, operating systems, standards, and analysis techniques. NowSecure Mobile App Security Foundations course, the prior part of this learning path, provides a glimpse into each of these concepts. Now we'll dig deeper into how all of these pieces work together and how you can use them to get started as a mobile app security professional. Ready to get going? Me too. Let's start with the big picture in our next lesson. Mobile app security testing can seem unwieldy and complex when first getting started, but like any new skill, once you get comfortable with the tools and tech, most security professionals find it professionally rewarding, including increasing promotion and earning potential.